Good morning, everybody. I'm Teresa Perrin, and I want to discuss COSM and what the heck is happening this morning because some crazy stuff is going down. So please remember, nothing I say is financial advice. Always do your own DD, and if you could, smash that like button. Let's spread this word everywhere. These market makers need to get called out for what's happening this morning with COSM. Good morning, everybody. Doing a update on COSM. I'm not sure if I covered it on my channel or not because it's something that I have been eyeing for some time. I do have a small position in it, and this morning I noticed something very odd. And that's that when I woke up, I saw all of a sudden the price go up to like $8. If you look at Fidelity, it shows that it actually went up closer to $9. I think the high peaked probably in after hours yesterday. So my guess is that this reverse split, because it's on Fidelity, I trust it, is most likely accurate, that they did a 1 for 25. So if you own every 25 shares you own, you now own 1 share. So guys, every 100 shares, that leaves you with 4 shares. Now, I want you to look at something very unnatural because a lot of these brokers have this stock halted right now and not tradable. Yet I want you to see what happened. It reverse splits. It spikes up to this like $7, $8 range, right? Well, or trades at that because that's where it opens up at. Then all of a sudden it drops right back down. Trades sideways, drops significantly. All this time, we are not allowed to trade it. I don't even know how that is legal because I have reports from other people that they also cannot buy and sell. I have reports from somebody also that they were able to buy this morning on Robinhood, but not able to sell. Very, very strange. I know for a fact that this morning I posted on Twitter that it's saying there's a 1 for 25 reverse stock split, yet it didn't happen because I don't see a notification from NASDAQ, and apparently it did happen. So let me correct that, and I immediately corrected it on my Twitter and said, well, apparently it's happened, but my shares were also still the same in crappy Robinhood, which, guys, I hate to say that I'm still even using that platform, but it's very convenient for penny stocks, and it's very convenient for options. But I need to get out of the habit, but it's just so convenient because you can send money there and use it immediately, which is kind of like how they trap you into staying with them because I don't really support that company. I just find it convenient when I want to buy a penny stock because it's cheap and you can get it anywhere and you can get money there really fast. And a lot of brokers that you send money to, like my TD Ameritrade and Fidelity, will not let you buy these crap penny stocks. Immediately they wait for your funds to clear, which is very strange because you can buy other stocks right away, which is where I buy the majority of my stuff that I plan to hold. But this is just strange, guys. And I've been reported that Webull also has halted it. Yet, why is it that this is trading? Why is it dropped down to the pre-reverse split price? What I said still holds valid. A stock doesn't trade to get reverse split to $8 or $9 per share, guys, and drop down to where it was previously selling at 40 cents. Look at this chart. This is absolutely bogus. There is something going on here. And recently this company hired, let me pull it up and show you. So it's quite obvious from this here that the company COSM Health is suspicious because of what's going on with their share price. Because it says here, COSM Health Inc., a global healthcare group with proprietary lines of nutraceuticals and distributor of pharmaceutical brand generics, OTC medications, and medical devices, announced it has retained Shareholder Intelligence Services, LLC, aka ShareIntel, to review the trading patterns of the company's common stock for the past 2 years and going forward. The company values its shareholders and wants to have all available data at its disposal to act in its fiduciary capacity. Guys, I'm telling you right now, any company it appears that screws with the manipulation that these market makers and hedge funds are doing in this marketplace gets bamboozled. They get tanked, and something crazy is happening today. And I don't care what anybody says, this is absolutely horrible and it needs to be investigated. Look at this. All right, so reverse split. Look at this on my scanner this morning. This is actually how I first even noticed this, guys. It goes up and it says it's almost at $7, right? So like $6.80 per share. You can see from Fidelity what it actually closed and opened at. And that was based on the reverse split price adjustment, that 25 to 1. So you get 1 for every 25 that you hold, like I stated previously. Then they pull it down to 40 cents, guys, pretty much where it was trading at earlier. How does that work if it's been reverse split? Something here is not adding up, okay? When you reverse split a 1 for 25, the price doesn't go down 1,600% in a matter of minutes. I'm sorry, but that is not even acceptable to think that that would happen. Especially when there's so many retail investors that are holding this stock. Do you think that they just went and sold out of all of their shares all at once? I highly doubt it. All right, now here's what I saw too when I went to go look and say, what on earth is happening? Why would it spike up to that price? Because if you notice, the chart that they pulled up to on the scanner was showing the pre-reverse split, which made me think it didn't happen. And also when I looked at my shares, they were exactly the same. And guys, I have a small position. I have 700 shares. That's it, because it's money that I could afford to lose if this went to nothing, which is always a possibility with any stock like this. Now, it says COSM performed a 1 for 25 reverse split on Friday, December 16th. Okay. But when you look at this, it doesn't look like that happened. So me being me goes to research it, went to the NASDAQ because I don't trust anything else. And I don't see a notice announcing the reverse split, but I do see this from December 2nd, their shareholder meeting. It's their 8K form, and it says that they voted to authorize the board of directors to amend the articles of incorporation to effect a reverse stock split at the company's outstanding common stock at their discretion. Again, this does not say the amount of the stock split, and it does not say the date, which I believe they would need to announce. So I'm very, very confused here, because normally you will at least see an announcement the night before that at the latest. I mean, normally they're supposed to give the NASDAQ a 10-day notice that they're going to affect a reverse stock split, you know, for whatever the case may be. So I'm very puzzled here. As I get more information, I will bring it to you, or I will bring it to you tonight. I have an appointment, a couple of appointments this afternoon, so it probably will not be till later this evening unless there's something. But guys, it's quadruple witching day in the market, and I have a lot of options that probably just got freaking destroyed this week that I need to deal with this morning. So we shall see if I have time to bring it to you today, but follow me on Twitter because I will have updates there. It's just faster. It takes a lot of time to make a video. I am not technically savvy. I hope that this helps some of you. I'm seeing a lot of comments. People are very confused, as am I. Guys, I don't know what's happening at the moment. I really don't, but something really smells fishy to me. If you agree, comment below. Please share this, get the word out there, because this is exactly what's happening so far that I know. I don't have anything other than this at my disposal right now. But when I do, like I said, I will bring you updates, try to bring them on Twitter, or get something out to you tonight to let you know what I found out. But again, like I said, I have a very, very busy day today. It's quadruple witching for options, and those of you that know me know that a majority of my trading is done through the options chain. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.